let's go back to our company preferences and let's look at the final option. So back over here to edit preferences and our company tab. So our third option says don't allow negative quantity. So this means if we create an invoice for an inventory item quantity that we do not have in our accounting file, we cannot fulfill it. So let me show you what happens. So I'm going to choose that. And then we're going to come in here. And I'm going to come back. We saw at our inventory center, our widget 1, we had 50 available. So let's go and create a customer invoice. And let's say a customer calls and they want to order 75. So let's come in here and we're going to go to customer and we're going to create an invoice. Okay. So of course, first we want to choose our customer. We want to choose our item. So I'm going to choose the widget 1. Now we can see here this nice little graph here. This is really great for our salespeople to be able to see. This tells them, can they fulfill an order? So if we select that little graph, we can see information just like we saw in the inventory center of telling us how many we have on hand. And then that drives down into how many is available. Okay, so we know we have 50 available. So watch what happens when I enter in a quantity of 75. So if I enter 75, you're going to see when I hit the tab, it's going to pop up and say, stop. If I allowed you to create this transaction, it would cause my accounting file to have a negative 25. And I have selected to say, do not allow negative inventory. So you can see it removed my quantity. So if I enter in any quantity that is above what I have in stock, it is not going to allow me to create that transaction. Now I can enter the 50, and you see I don't have a pop-up. So it's very important that if you select this option of not allowing negative inventory, you know what's going to happen. Your team cannot create invoices for quantity above what you have on hand. And maybe that's what you want to do.